as far as Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina is concerned, the National Hurricane Center says you're not even in the cone of uncertainty anymore. I mean, I've never seen them do this before. So yesterday, the last part of the forecast track, so just 24 hours ago, was like right here, and the cone of uncertainty was like this. So, now just 24 hours later, I guess the models have gotten their act together, and they're saying, hey, you guys aren't even in the cone of uncertainty anymore. That's basically the National Hurricane Center saying there's no way we think this storm's going to go west of this bubble.